My dear students, let me to welcome all of you people to the next one or two sessions, last one or two sessions of the trigonometric classes, and now we shall solve few more problems. Last class we have solved regarding sin A plus sin B, cos A plus cos B, sin A minus sin B, cos A minus cos B, and etc. We are extensioning the problems on the same formula as here, right? Look at the first problem. ಮೊದಲನೇ problem ನೋಡೋಣ. What is your LHS? Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x, which is in form of a square minus b square. I can write it as a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. a plus b ಎಷ್ಟು? sin 6x plus sin 4x, one term into sin 6x minus sin 4x is the next term. Making use the result, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Shall I make use the formula for those two things once again? Sin a plus sin b, sin a plus sin b, formula 2 sin a plus b by 2, 6x plus 4x by 2, 6x plus 4x by 2, okay, into cos of a minus b, cos of 6x minus 4x by 2. This is the first one. ಎರಡನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ತರದ್ದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. sin a minus sin b, formula 2 cos of a plus b by 2, 6x plus 4x by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2, sin of 6x minus 4x by 2. Simplify further. Should be is equal to 2 sin of 6x plus 4x and this stuff. 10x by 2 is 5x. Cos of 6x minus 4x and 2x by 2 becomes 1x. Got it? Into 2 cos of 6x plus 4x and 10x by 2 becomes 5x. Sin of 6x minus 4x and 2x by 2 becomes 1x. Grouping ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 sin 5x cos 5x ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್, 2 into sin x cos x ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? look at ಏನೇನ 2 sin 5x into cos 5x ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಯಾವುದು? 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ 2 sin x into cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? sin 2x, sin 2x. ಅದೇ ತರ 2 sin 5x into cos 5x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 2 into 5x, sin 2 into 5x. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? sin 2 into 5x. ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ 2 sin x cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? sin 2x. So can you read the answer? So sin of 2 into 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10x into sin 2x. That's all the thing will be. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. sin 2x into sin 10x. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದೇ ತರ there is a second problem. Let me solve this now. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೇ ತರ cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, right? So this solve ಮಾಡಲಾ? ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. As usual, I will write it as cos 2x plus cos 6x one term, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ cos 2x minus cos 6x one term, cos a plus cos b, cos a minus cos b, right? I should make use the formula cos of a plus b ಒಂದು, cos of a minus b ಒಂದು. What is formula for cos of a plus b? 2 cos of a plus b by 2, 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2, cos of 2x minus 6x by 2 ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಎರಡನೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದೇ ತರದ್ದು cos a minus cos b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2, 2x plus 6x by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2, sin of 2x minus 6x by 2. I will simplify this. Further simplification marking clearly is equal to 2 cos of 2x plus rx ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4x into cos of 2x minus 6x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು minus 4x by 2, minus 4x by 2 becomes minus 2x. This is the first group. Second group minus 2 sin of 6x plus 2x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin of 8x by 2 becomes 4x into sin of 2x minus 6x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2x by 2, minus 4x by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 8x. I will write two important result here. Alright, an important result. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, whereas sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. That lies in the fourth quadrant. Nalalakne quadrant angles everadu. I will make this no symbols here, right? Look at it now. 2 cos 4x as it is into cos of minus 2x is plus cos 2x into minus 2 sin 4x into sin of minus 2x is minus sin 2x becomes plus sin 2x. One sin, one cos, one sin, one cos. Now regroup part ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಈಗ, which can also be done as 2, one sin 4x, one cos 4x ಬರ್ಕಡೆ, one sin 4x, one cos 4x into ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಒಂದು 2 ಬರೀರಿ, one sin 2x, one cos 2x ಬರೀರಿ, one sin 2x, one cos 2x. Just remember 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. ಹಾಗಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 sin 4x into cos 4x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 2 4x. 2 sin 2x into cos 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 2 2x. Can you simplify this? Sin 2 into 4x is sin 8x. Sin 2 into 2x is sin 4x. That will be the required answer. Sin 4x into sin 2x will be the required answer. Carefully observe, these two will be very important problems for you people, right? Read on this and solve the 2 more problems. Okay, now let me to continue one more now. So sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. ನಾನು ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರಿಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 sin 4x ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಆಚರಣೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. sin 2x sin 6x ನ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೆಟರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ. sin 6x plus sin 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 sin 4x ನ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಇರಲಿ. Let me to look at the things now. Now the formula is sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. Formula of sin of A plus B. Sin of sin A plus sin B. Formula 2 sin A plus B by 2. 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. 6x minus 2x by 2. Okay? Into plus 2 sin 4x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 4 cos square x sin 4x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now next 2 sin 6x plus 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8x by 2 becomes 4x. Cos of 6x minus 2x into 4x by 2 becomes 2x. Got it? Plus 2 sin 4x. Right? So sin 4x is one of the answer. I will take 2 sin 4x as a common factor now, right? 2 sin 4x na common factor. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 2 sin 4x ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ cos 2x plus 1. cos 2x plus 1 ಅಥವಾ 1 plus cos 2x. Last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 1 plus cos 2x and 1 minus cos 2x are the two important formulas. 1 plus cos 2x ಗೆ 2 cos square x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. 2 sin 4x 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. This is the formula. Can you simplify? 2 into 2 on the stapa 4 cos square x into sin 4x. That will be the correct answer. These are it. Right? Shall I look at one more? In another now, look at the LHS. This problem is LHS and RHS separate simplify ಮಾಡಿ answer ಮಾಡೋಣ. Easiest for me. LHS problem number 4 of course. Now look at the value of LHS. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. Now, cot theta na, I will write it as cos theta by sin theta, cos 4x by sin 4x. So, now I will write them directly. Sin A plus sin B, 2 sin of, sin A plus sin B, 2 sin of A plus B by 2. 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2 becomes 4x. Into cos of A minus B by 2, 5x minus 3x and 2x by 2 becomes 1x. So, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. sin of sin A plus sin B, 2 sin A plus B by 2, 5x plus 3x by 2, 8x by 2 and 4x. Cos of A minus B by 2, cos of 5x minus 3x and 2x by 2 becomes 1x. One of the sin 4x cancel. Can you write the numerator? 2 cos 4x into cos x. So this is equation 1 number. Please let's go to LHS of course now, right? Now, can you simplify RHS? RHS simplification what? What is RHS now? Cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. What's the formula for cot x? Cot x formula cos x by sin x into now sin A minus sin B, sin A minus sin B formula list itkondire gottagutte. Formula 2 cos A plus B by 2. Okay, 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 into sin of 5x minus 3x by 2. Simplify further. PL is equal to cos x by sin x into 2 cos 5x plus 3x and 8x by 2 becomes 4x. 5x minus 3x and 2x by 2 becomes x only. Sin x cancels. Right? Can you write the remaining term? Should be is equal to 2 cos 4x into cos x. So that is your RHS now. This is RHS. Equation 2. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. From 1 and 2, your LHS value is there, which is also is equal to RHS. That's all. Right? So now in this session we have solved some important problems which are related to sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b. Got it? So now we shall work out few more problems on the same session now. Okay, now let me take one more problem in this session. Cot x, cot 2x, cot 2x, cot 3x, cot 3x, cot x is equal to 1. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. cot of a plus b is equal to cot a into cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a. So this is a formula which I am making use here. ಇದೇ ತರದೊಂದು in terms of tan ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅವಶ್ಯಕ cot of cot. Therefore cot 3x na shall I write it as cot of 2x plus x. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? cot 3x na cot of 2x plus x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. cot 3x is equal to cot of a plus b formula, cot a cot b, cot 2x into cot x minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a, cot x plus cot 2x. Right? So just cross multiply this one. 1 into cot 2x cot x minus 1, cot 2x into cot x minus 1 is equal to, what is your RHS now? Cot 3x into cot x plus cot 2x. So cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. cot 3x into cot x plus cot 2x. Simplify further. cot 2x into cot x minus 1, cot 2x into cot x minus 1 is equal to cot 3x into cot x, cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot 2x, cot 3x into cot 2x. Can you simplify? Minus 1 RHS and third, bigger term LHS and third, that is your final answer now, right? So this can be done as cot 1x into cot 2x. First term, no? Second term, minus cot 3x into cot x. Minus cot 3x into cot 2x. And what is the RHS? Minus 1 plus 1. That is the required answer now, right? Cot x cot 2x is that. Minus cot 2x cot 3x, adu is that. Minus cot 3x cot x, adu is that. That's all, right? So this is a very important problem for you. So we shall end up this session by solving this problem, and we shall take sin 4x, that is to say cos 4x, tan 4x and 6x plus 3 important problems will be there. I will show that in the next session, right?